In this video, I'll show you how to install Visual Studio Code and configure it for front-end web development. After watching this, your VS Code will be optimized for writing clean and fast HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's start. So here we are at Visual Studio Code Editor website. From here, you can download the app for your preferable operating system. And now after downloading, you need to install it by clicking the icon or find the app where it downloaded. You need to follow the step-by-step process that I'm showing you. You need to click next and then choose the folder where you want to install the Visual Studio Code. I'm going to select the C folder and then next again. I'm going to select this one and then next. I need to click install. And here it is installing. Give it some time. After installing, you need to launch the Visual Studio Code. So here it is, here is our Visual Studio Code. We have perfectly installed it on our device. You can use this code editor to create different websites, softwares and many more things. Now before doing that, we need to set up our Visual Studio environment so that we will be able to code more easily. That's why we need to install some extensions. Before doing that, if you already have a GitHub account, you can log in this Visual Studio Code from here. Suppose you have installed Visual Studio on a friend's computer and now you want to access all your settings from there. You can simply log into Visual Studio using your GitHub account and all of your settings and all of your extensions will be there. We need to go to extension and now we can add useful extensions from here. I'm going to search live server and here it is. Here is the extension that we want. This is going to create a virtual environment on our PC. After creating any project and launching this extension, we will be able to see our project live. I'm going to install this one. And after installing, I'm going to search for another one. This one is for JavaScript. Click install. And another one. I'm going to install this one also. This extension will help you format everything for you easily. So I'm going to enable this one. I have already installed it and now enable this one. And now we are going to go to the Explorer tab, cross out this one. And now I'm going to show you some codes that I have already created and launch it on my browser. And here it is. Here is the folder. I have already created this whole website myself a long time ago. And here are the folders that you can see. I'm going to select this one, open this one as well. Here are the codes. Suppose I have changed something in here and save the page and click the go live. Here's the browser that showing me my design. Now I'm going to show you something. If I change the name again and save it, and here it is showing me live feedback. So this was the video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for getting new videos like this one in future. And if you got any question about this process or anything related to front-end web development, you can ask me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Have good times.